Euro USD analysis today. Hello friends and welcome to your channel TubeCore. In this video we'll talk about euro against dollar. So before we start the video, if you're new to the channel, to make sure to use subscribe, like and share. The buttons are right here. Subscribe, like, it's all free, and then below the video find a link which says swing like a pro. Click on that link, come to this page right here, check out these recent setups, and then you can join this program if you want to enter and exit with me. So go and join this program if you want. If you want to speak to me one-to-one, you can book consultation right here, and you can always join my free Telegram. So check that out. And now coming back to the chart, starting the top-down approach with weekly time frame. Weekly, we are above the EMI. So you can see here, weekly we are above the EMI. Daily is what? Daily is also at the EMI, but 4 hours clearly above the EMI. So you can see. So weekly and 4 hour we are above the EMI. So price in 2 time frames is above the EMI. Look for longs after the pullback. So 4 hour, not right now. Pullback and then look for longs. Okay. So yeah, look for longs after the pullback as per the definition. And if you want to enter and exit with me precisely, then join this program Swing Like a Pro. Till then, subscribe, like and share. Take care.